at the palm of your hand. You know what love do to me. No. I lose myself, I forget who I am. No, yeah. You're the one it's gonna be. No, yeah. I'm falling for you, but the power's not in my hands. No, you know what you do to me. Cause it's what I do to you. Yeah, yeah, oh no. Girl, you've got my heart. Hey, come back with that. Gonna need that if you're down. In love with me? I kinda knew it from the start that I would fall for you. Fall for you. You got me falling to my knees. I knew that I would fall in love. I knew that I would fall in love with you. And I got you wanting to retreat. You never thought you'd fall in love. You never thought you'd give your heart to me. You know what I do to you. Yeah. Sometimes I feel like you can't make up your mind. Yeah. And you know what I seek in you. And that kinda makes you scared right out of your mind. Yeah. I know just what you've been through. Yeah. Made a promise to yourself that was the last time. Yeah. You know what I do to you. Yeah. Cause it's what you do to me. Yeah, yeah, oh no. Girl, you've got my heart. Hey, come back with that. I'm gonna need it if you're not in love with me. Trying to do it from the start that I would fall for you. Give it all to you. You got me falling to my knees. I knew that I would fall in love. I knew that I would fall in love with you. And I got you wanting to retreat. You never thought you'd fall in love. You never thought you'd give your heart to me. Hey, I'm falling harder than I've ever felt. Hey, I'm feeling something that I've never felt. Hey, I'm searching for you in every corner of my mind. Cause I gotta justify how I feel. Caught me off guard, you saw all my cards. I soothed your bruised heart, we chose to choose love. Right from the start, right there from the get-go. We put our guards down, scared of potential. Killed my ego, willed my hero back. I tamed the ego, then it bit right back.